So then times we now we did pre-cycle go high school now everybody, like all the science students, the non-science students, everybody go get glasses. I said, what they happen? So me too, as I go there, I also go get glasses because they say like everybody way they don the glasses, you know, it be them way they know book. Wow. So me too, I go get glasses. What did they figure? Anyway, this is KokoChem Education YouTube channel, and then I'm welcoming you to another class. This is class number 4. So today's class is going to be on naming complex substituents. You can say the last time now flow you say substituent, you know, then get naming system given. If you get one carbon, it will be meth. Then you go add YL, which will be like Yonkid and Lima. Then they use Yonkid and Lima to say you go Kai, so one carbon will be methyl, 2 carbons will be ethyl, 3 carbons will be propyl. We now show no. So really, anyway, then 4 carbons butyl and then all that. Okay, what if we have like complex, you know, complex substituent? How you go fit name them? So that be the class we go learn today. So bear with me. As I write, just enjoy some music. It about this one, the KokoChem music. So make a carry you again. Say if you get compound like this, right? Everybody writers if you know, say the longest carbon, the longest chain will be the parent chain. Okay, so if you don't know, go check the previous videos. It's about will be the parent chain, and the top part will be the substituent. This is a complex substituent. It no be the small substituent like 1 carbon, 2 carbons, 3 carbons. So if you get this case, how you go fit name them? The simple trick for this one be say you for count all the carbons where they inside. So if you count, you go see say it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It be 5 carbons where a day as a substituent. It about, but the 5 carbons as a count, you know, it no be continuous chain. So because it no be continuous chain, you know, if you say, oh, 5 carbons, then it will be pentel. No, if you do that, you will make mistake. It about because the 5 carbons, you know, it no be straight. It no day on a straight line like how this one day, you know. In that case, in the way you go do one be say you go shada take the complex substituent like it be mini parent. It about like you go treat them like small parent. Then if it be small parent, then you go number them. You go number all the carbons where you see. Then you go name them. It about, so make we see how we go do them. So over here we see carbon number 1. If you need a kaya like the previous class and I flow, you say every joint tibiano carbon day there. That will have the number. No? So if you see the numbers now, the numbers they refer to the carbons. So we get 1 carbon for here, 2 carbons, 3, 4, and then we will say 5 for here. So as we number them like this, you know, you will see say the longest continuous chain for the substituent, you know, be how many carbons? 4, because 1, 2, 3, 4 day, like a day on a straight line. It will be straight, but like it be continuous. It about, and there's a carbon attached to carbon position 2. So it check like you get substituent where a day substituent on top of it. So we get 4 carbons. Then there's another carbon on top of carbon number 2. It about, so that carbon, wey dey number 2 no go be substituent on the entire 4 carbon substituent. That be a complex substituent. So in this case, if we name the substituent now, the carbon wey dey carbon position 2 is only 1 carbon, and if it be only 1 carbon, I follow you say it go be meth, right? Then you go add YL, so we get YL. That be carbon number 5 wey dey carbon position 2 on the substituent. Like as we count, you see say we count like 4 carbons, so 4 carbons go be but, right? It will be BUTYL. So it be substituent wey dey substituent. So you check like it be a little bit hard, but it no be hard there. So it will be methyl on top of butyl. So for us to make the differentiation, so we go know how we go name the whole complex substituent. You forecast say the carbon number 5 wey dey carbon position 2 on top of it, it be methyl, but the methyl get position wey in a position wey it dey position 2. So it dey carbon position 2, so you go say 2 methyl. So you go know say the methyl dey on position number 2. And naming system, if you rep like numbers and names are like numbers be like 2 be number, methyl be a word. So if you rep 2 which be number and methyl which be word, you for put dash in between, so you go put dash in the bar. So 2 methyl, why 2 because where the methyl there, this methyl which is carbon number 5 on the substituent, be on carbon position 2. Then you go add the butyl. So if we name the whole compound now, we go put this whole thing into bracket. So say we go say, oh okay, so 2 methyl butyl. I go rep parent for here because the name, as I flow you for the previous class, I flow you say the name, we go take them queer. We go take them step by step. So what we do right there is going to be naming substituent. So as we progress, then we will name all the entire complex compound. So assuming say we know the name of the parent compound now, then we go put the name of the parent compound for where I rep the parent, but we not catch there yet. So just talanku, chill, talanku, then watch me. So 2 methyl butyl, that would be the name of this complex substituent. You get question, Anna? No question. Okay. Make I just use this model kit, then make a build, make you see it about. I'm going to build the entire 11 carbons. I just want to build the substituent in it for you to see, say, okay, this be what they go on. So we get 5 carbons. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So make a J1 carbon from this one. So a J1 carbon is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You see the continuous chain. This be the substituent we are J. Use pi. This be the whole substituent for here. 5 carbons for on top of the carbon 6. We are J for here. So this be substituent, but it no be simple substituent. That be why I show you step by step how you go name them now. So as you get 5 carbons like this, you go treat them like mini parent. Mini parent be say, okay, then start to count the continuous carbon chain. Like if this one be continuous, make I show you straight. Like if this be straight carbon, we be substituent. How many carbons did you see for here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It be 5. So they will be pentyl. Simple. But it no be straight chain. It no be straight chain. We get branches for here. It be substituent we get branch. So in that case, you go treat them like mini parent, then count them. So you go count the longest continuous carbon chain first. So if you don't want to start from here, you go say 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't want to start from here, you go say 1, 2, 3, 4. So either way, you will get 4 longest continuous carbon chain from this substituent. Then as you count, this will be number 2, and this carbon day on carbon number 2. So you then go rep 2. That's where the 2 they come from, because of this carbon. So 2, then the methyl, where the methyl they come from, this will be the methyl, no? It will be 1 carbon, so 1 carbon day on position number 2. So 2 methyl, and then what? Butyl, where the butyl they come from, no? 1 2 3 4 carbons will but. Then after you say naming of substituent, you go add Y. Thank you for adding it. L. Okay, so this be it. This be how we name complex substituents. You get very interesting, engaging videos on KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Where me at the think say you go fit boy if you dey university, if you dey high school, if you dey JHS. See, and then maybe I say through your friends, Charlie, make them subscribe. Give me. You say every day behind me, I will get energy. Come day here, then Charlie show you what we got. This is KokoChem Education YouTube channel. Always remember that practice makes permanent. So when you watch any video, no be every month. Leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Share it with a friend, and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.